How to fix copy and paste not working on Windows 11. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys to open the Task Manager. In the Processes tab, scroll down and locate the Windows Explorer process. Right-click Windows Explorer and click Restart. Alternatively, right-click Windows Explorer and click End Task. Then, click Run a new task. Type explorer.exe and click OK. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Method 2. Clear clipboard history. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type CMD in Run and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt, type in cmd/c open quote echo off vertical bar clip close quote and press Enter. This command will clear your system's clipboard history. Method 3. Run the deployment image in Servicing Management and System File Checker scans. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type CMD in Run and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open Command Prompt as an administrator. In Command Prompt, type in dism/online/cleanupimage/scanhealth and press Enter. Type in dism/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth and press Enter. Then, type in sfc/scanno and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. Method 4. Delete corrupt zones from Windows Registry. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type regedit in Run and click OK. Before modifying the Windows registry, create a backup. Click File and select Export. Choose where to save the backup and create a name. Then, click Save. In the Windows Registry Editor, navigate to HKey current user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /internet settings /zones. Expand the zones key. If you see a key before the 0 key with an ASCII character as its name, such as an empty rectangle or an L graphic image, right-click it and click Delete. Click Yes to confirm the removal. Close the Windows Registry Editor and restart your PC. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and big files finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel.